Alright guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how I approach meme coins differently. I'm not chasing pumps or staring at charts all day. I launch the coins myself and make money from fees and supply. It's simple, repeatable, and it works. Guys, look at my Phantom wallet. I made over $8.5 million all from launching meme coins on Pump.Fun, bro. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it works and how to launch a meme coin in today's video. Let's fucking get it, bro. Trading meme coins back in the day was my strong suit, but there's a reason to why I stopped trading and I started launching my own coins instead. First of all, the main reason why is because when I used to trade meme coins, every single time I bought a coin which I thought it was going to explode, well, I got completely dumped on just like this coin. I would buy in and then boom, the fucking dev would dump on my head. I'm pretty sure this exact scenario happened to most of you guys. Now that's why I flipped the script and I started launching. Now I am the one doing these. I am the one printing thousands of dollars from deving, and that's exactly why I'm making this video, because I will be on giving a method and showing you guys exactly how to be a fucking pro dev, start deving, and start making a quick income on the side. Now making meme coins is really easy. You just find a narrative, launch it using my meme coin tool. It costs literally $0. You wait for buyers and then you can just click profit or completely dump it. It's up to you, bro. Now let's get right into the video. Now before we head to the money, bro, I want to show you what deving meme coins actually means. Now deving meme coins means there's no initial risk of your portfolio. All you need is around 0.5 SO, but you get it back right after you dump the coin because you control your chart. You decide if you want to dump the coin whenever you want. You don't need a big portfolio. All you need, like I said, is around 0.51. You get it back after your launches. The more launches you do, the more chances you have of making money. That is completely fucking true. You make money from the Pump.Fun creator fees and from the supply. I actually have a deving tool that you guys will see into this video that puts both of these metrics into one P&L, and then you can see how much you're up, and then you can remove it and cash it out whenever you want. You guys will see. It's actually easier to do it than to say it. Now I have a couple of P&Ls of my creator fees on a couple of my dev wallets, which I made 30 grand, 14k, 24k. I had to launch around 400 coins to make this money, but if you launch one viral coin, that's all you need. Anyways, let's get right into the video. Now, most beginner devs, when they want to make their first meme coin, they go to Pump.Fun and they launch it right here using a name, take a little description, all that bullshit. But let me tell you why you'll be wasting your time. First of all, when you launch your meme coin, bro, it will get no buyers, no one will buy it. It will just flatten out. You might make $1 or $2, but the main goal is getting your meme coin to Radium in front of real fucking buyers, real agents, papers, and real people looking to invest into your coin, right? That's why you want to be launching your coins to Radium. Now on Pump.Fun, bro, to reach that point, your meme coin needs to reach $55,000. That's exactly why you have to be using creatememes.fun.io, because on this launchpad, all your meme coins will go to Rhythm instantly. It will be immediately migrated. It will skip the bonding curve and it will go directly to Rhythm. Then a bunch of people are going to see your coin and potentially buy in, bro. That is exactly why a bunch of people and devs are actually keeping this launchpad. You guys will see. Now, making a meme coin on creatememes.fun.io is actually fucking easy. There's two different ways to make a meme coin. The first way is to make a whole new coin from scratch on-chain, which means you will be finding a narrative then making a coin. Now go on X, go on Instagram, go on fucking TikTok and look for a narrative. It could be any political news. I'd like to go for something like a Trump tweet. Most of the time, news tweets will do really well, anything like that. Once you have that narrative, come back to meme, invent a name, add a symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is custom created. But the second method is my favorite one, and that's by copying trending coins. Now all these coins right here are already going viral on Not Fun, which means they have a good narrative, and your job is to copy a coin and then profit from all the existing hype and all the fucking buyers on your copy, and that is how we make money, by copying coins. I will do an example. Alright guys, let's stop fucking fooling around and let's actually copy a coin and see how much we can make in profits. Now first of all, make sure Phantomoy is connected just like this, then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. I like to go with any coin. I'm going to copy the Pippin coin. It has it last by 2 seconds ago. Click on create coin, wait for Phantomoy to pop up. Ignore the block, it's completely fucking normal. Click on proceed, confirm, understand, confirm, and then the coin be created in 1 or 2 seconds. Then boom, click on create liquidity pool. Now as you can see bro, now it's fucking live. Here in this page is where we create our Radium liquidity pool. Now this step is what turns on trading. Now token A is where we set our liquidity pool. This is where everything starts. Now click on 90%, that will drop in 100 million tokens. For token B, this is your first buy into your own coin. I would recommend to put anywhere from 0.3 to 0.4 to 0.5. So for the first buy, I'm going to put 0.3. So by the way, you are not losing this money. You will get it back later once you dump the coin and you remove the liquidity. Click on create pool. The whole point of being a dev is to lose nothing. Then click on confirm. When that is done bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down and boom, the Pippin coin is on live and your profits will show up right here. Now if you click on the refresh button to officially check your profits, now we're up $127 because people are now buying a coin and they are interested to buy in. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart, or AXM or Nova. Let me go on full screen for a bit of view of the coin. Now just wait for the coin to pop up. As you can see, Broad's Life, we're already up, I would say around $200. Oh my god, it's pumping. $40, $20, $15, $23. Things are looking absolutely insane. 4K market cap, 1K liquidity. Things are looking good. People are buying in. This is what we like to see as a dev. Now more and more people are going to start seeing the coin and buying in. Boom, $100. Boom, okay? Bro, if you could launch 3 to 4 of these every single hour, bro, you could be printing. Now I'm going to give this coin some time for it to go up and I'll be right back to dump the coin later. Alright guys, I am back and we are at the 3.6k market cap, 1.7k liquidity. Things are looking absolutely insane. Now, to make some money, come up to creatememes.fun.io real quick. Obviously click on the refresh button. As you all can see, we will be receiving around $1.62,000. Click on the minus button, 200% remove liquidity, then just wait. After that, click on confirm and bang, that's exactly how you do it from start to fucking finish. Now if I open my Phantom wallet to see exactly how much we received, because it does change, boom, we received $1.58,000 straight inside our wallet. Even though SO is going down, we still ended up making some money because Deving is still fucking untapped. Now creatememes.fun, IO will be linked in the comments up below or in the description. Join my Discord, join my Telegram for more information. And now, bro, peace out.